everything. Every single thing. The presence. The aura. The voice. Every single thing. But the face I see in you.
Once I've seen her, your wife. But then all you say I never saw in me.
Yeah. Nah. You never met her. Jamal's mother, I meant. My present wife's sister. My late wife. She was a lovely woman.
She's late. What killed her?
She drowned. She drowned. My late wife had gone to the village to see her mother and her sister. But that was the last time I saw her or heard from her. My beloved wife never returned. She never came back. A few days later, her sister called me and said, there was an accident involving a car at the Uguta bridge. So we all quickly rushed. We all rushed to the accident scene to take a look. And behold, I saw my car suspended by the edge of the bridge. With all the doors open wide. We tried to tow the car, but unfortunately, my wife was nowhere to be found. She had drowned. She had drowned. The demise of my wife shattered my life. I lost my mind. In fact, that's actually one of the reasons I had to change environment. Perhaps I could get over the trauma. I loved her with the depth of my soul. I loved her with everything I had. Listen, I'm sorry I am boring you with my stories. I can feel it. I don't mean to do that, alright? I'm sorry. Yeah.
So, you got married to your late wife's sister. And And you don't see that as a disrespect to her wherever she is.
No, I can explain. Listen. My son Jamal, he was too tender to become motherless. I needed someone to be there for him. Someone to take care of him. And I thought of my late wife's sister because she was already coming around to do that. And I was so happy that they became close friends and they bonded. Just like you. Just like you came around and you're good friends with my son. And boom. And I could literally see Jamal's mother, my son's mother, inside of you. I saw Jamal's mother. My son's mother, I saw her inside of you. I know.
Closer. I think it's time to spell it out.
Not so fast. Yes. Let his wife, your sister, return from the village. Remember, we're yet to get all the information, all the proof we want. My colleague at the Paragon's hospital is yet to return. If not for the misfortune that befell the hospital, by now getting all the evidence that we need would have been easy. Remember, your face is changed, so it will be hard for you to prove it to your husband without any evidence. So just relax. With time, it will strike. Yes.
Are you enjoying it?
If what? If what? Huh? It's that.
The heart of man is dangerous, so full of wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly. A wicked world.
Jamal,
Mama,
what are you doing?
I'm eating.
Of course I know you were eating. Who made the food you're eating?
Auntie Precious, baby.
Jamal, what exactly is wrong with you? Why didn't you tell me that you were still hungry? I gave you something, food I took my time to prepare. You didn't finish it and here you are eating someone else's food.
That's because it tastes better.
Huh?
Mom, don't be angry with me. Because I am not the only one guilty of this. Dad also ate it. Have a taste.
Punish you then. Don't that fire you? Ha! You mean your father ate this food as well?
Yeah? And he loved it. Fine, this one belongs to you.
Thank you.
But I'll get it next time.
You think so?
Yes, of course. But if you don't want me to get it, place your hand on my palm.
Okay. I don't want you to get it.
And promise me you will prepare a delicacy for me this night.
Of course you know I will.
Okay. Pinky promise.
Okay, Pinky
Promise.
Conclude when God hath not concluded. No, 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 no. None can question God's declarations. No, 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 no. None can cover up God's glory upon my life. No, 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 no. Una fuga na weza de full number. No, no, no. I represent grace. No, 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 no. None can question God's declarations. No, 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 no. None can cover up God's glory upon my life. No, 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 no. Una fuga na weza de funamba. No, 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 no. I represent grace. Oh, seed of grace. I represent grace. My name is grace. I represent grace. A seed of grace. My name is grace. I represent a seed of grace. A seed of grace. My name is grace. I represent grace. My name is grace. My name is grace. I represent grace. My name is grace. A seed of grace. My name is grace. I represent grace. My name is grace. None can conclude when God hath not concluded. No, 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 no. None can question God's declarations. No, 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 no. None can cover up God's glory upon my life. No, 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 no. Una fuga na weza de funamba. No, 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 no. I represent grace. Oh, seed of grace. I represent grace. My name is grace. I represent grace. A seed of grace. My name is grace. I represent a seed of grace.
Oga, come on, get inside.
The power of God. No, 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 no. None can say when God have not said, and it come to pass. My name is grace. I represent grace. My name is grace. A seed of grace. My name is grace. I represent grace. My name is grace. My name is grace. I represent grace.
Mama, there is trouble. There is trouble. My husband doesn't eat my food anymore. He has refused to eat my food. Mama, he doesn't eat my food. He now eats the food of that stranger, the girl he employed. Wait, you mean after everything I went through? The stress, Mama, my time, my energy, how I was sweating and learning how to cook those meals. And my husband has refused to eat anything I prepared. Mama, I'm tired though. I'm tired. Mama, you don't understand what I'm saying. This man is not eating my food. Mama, and this girl is beginning to take my husband's and my son's attention. The only food they eat is the food she prepares. I'm not finding it funny anymore, Mama. I'm not finding it funny. And Mama, there is something I have noticed about that girl. Something really, really suspicious. Mama, whenever this girl talks, she sounds like Grace. Mama, which other Grace am I talking about? Is there anyone you know in Kafanchan? I'm talking about our Grace, our own Grace. The Grace that died a long time ago. Mama, I am very sure she sounds exactly like Grace. Yes.
The heart of man is dangerous, so full of wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly.
Why is she not picking her calls? Grace, pick your call now. Ah, this girl. Grace, why are you not picking your calls now?
Listen, I need you to tell me the truth. What I'm about to ask you right now is very, very important to me. Okay, first off, I have never really asked you anything about yourself. Like, your family background, where you're from, who your parents are. You have siblings, right? Listen, I'm sorry, about the differences between us. I'm really not that kind of person. It's just that I am a woman who's been pushed, and any woman in my shoes would do the same thing. But I need to know. I need to know certain things about you. What I might be doing now might not be the right thing. I'm not even sure about this, but I just want to know who you are. Your family background, and people who know you. I've never really asked you that before. I just want to know, have you seen this lady? The person in this picture before? Have you by any chance met her somewhere? Do you know who she is? Have you come across somebody like this before?
No, I haven't.
Yep.
Are you going to get married to Auntie Gracious? Is she going to be a second wife?
Who is Auntie Gracious?
Dad?
Yeah?
Have you forgotten? Auntie Gracious prepares good, delicious meal for us. So Dad, I remember my dream. My dream was about you and Auntie Gracious and me. You got married to Auntie Gracious in the dream, and she was my mother.
Why would you even say anything like that?
Because I know you love her, and I love her too.
Okay, Jamal, listen. Conversations like this are not for kids, okay? So concentrate on your ice cream.
Shopping, Dad.
While I take you home.
Okay, Dad.
Good.
You want some?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Fine. Thank you.
Coming, you will see me now, okay?
You don't need to be scared. Not at this point. No, please. Not when we are almost done with gathering all the information that we need to strike. You can't be scared, you know. Remember when I told you that this is God at work? I mean it. This is God at work. Your name is Grace. And it's the same grace that has been following you. The grace saw you through all the trauma your stepmother and your stepsister put you through. And the same grace brought late Dr. Douglas, whom God used not only to finance your surgery, but he saw it through everything. Yes, the same grace took you back as a chef, back to your husband and your son you've been wanting to see all this while. Can't you see that this is God at work? I want you to be patient. I want you to be strong. Just little time, we will get all the information that we need. Then we strike. Please, you need to be strong for us. Be strong for me. Be strong for your husband, your son. Finished. Mama, everything is finished. Akara, yasa go, Mama, orego go, Mama.
Give me yasa, what is finished? Give me legwalo.
Mama. Grace. Grace. Mama, Grace is alive. Grace is still alive, Mama. Grace is alive. Oh.
Who is Grace?
Our own Grace, the same Grace, you know. Mama, the woman my husband employed in my house as a chef is Grace. She went for a face transplant. Mama, she went for a face surgery. She went to change her face so that she can come back to my husband's house and take my husband away from me, Mama. She had a face disguise. Remember we talked about the similarity in their voices? Mama, it is Grace. No wonder they had this chemistry. There was something about them. They were so close, Mama. Mama, this is not good, oh. We need to do something about it. We need to do something about it, Mama. Grace is alive.
Grace is alive.
Are you listening to me? Are you listening to what I'm saying?
You know it's not possible now. She was shot dead.
It is...
Grace was shot dead in our presence.
Mama, it is obvious that we were the one who was shot dead.
No, now I can't die.
No, I think we are the one that's dead.
No.
It's the same Grace in my house right now.
Huh?
Mama, Grace is alive!
No, this is not happening.
Oh.
No, how can Grace alive?
Mama, Biko, we need to do something. She cannot take my husband away from me, Mama. She cannot take my husband away, Mama.
Calm down, I want to comprehend this. We need to do something, yes. What do we do?
Mama, Inajum, what do you mean what do we do? We need to do something. Inasim, what do we do? Mama, what time does it matter? What do you have to do? Time!
I am coming.
Mama, for goodness sake, what has time got to do with this? I said Grace is alive. Inajum, what is the time? Mama, this is the way to the parlor!
Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly.
husband.
Mama,
Eh?
you visited?
I visited.
You came?
I came.
Nobody told me you were coming.
Eh?
Baby, you didn't tell me your mother was coming.
Are you saying that I will always announce my visits whenever I want to come to my in-laws' house?
Yes.
Eh?
No,
When I show your mom again, am I not welcome here?
Yes.
Mama, I never said you're not welcome there. Hey, where have you been? I've been calling you. Hey, I've been calling you and your number has been switched off. I'm talking to you. Are you okay?
I guess she's fine. You know what? Just you know she's been out the whole day. She's probably very, very tired, and she needs to rest. I would advise she go into her room and take some rest. Okay? You run around. Okay? Yes. She needs to sleep. I mean, rest. Yes.
Mama, I was only saying you should have waited until tomorrow. It's late. Besides, I don't encourage traveling at night. It's quite risky, you know?
Late? You didn't tell him? Late? What did I late when I used to climb 911? Jebuabo, Chako. No, now. Don't worry about lateness. In fact, desperate times call for desperate measures. Yes.
Yes.
Mama, what desperate time are you talking about?
Oh.
Huh?
You didn't tell him? She has been complaining about this continuous stomach pain. All the time she will call and be complaining.
Stomach pain?
Yes. You know, somebody that is looking for the fruit of the womb. I don't know what she has been taking. So I have come to be massaging her.
Oh, but babe, you didn't tell me anything like that, did you?
I am... Oh, Mama.
Don't.
Oh!
Wait, is it that bad?
No. See, it's not everything she will tell you. You're a man. There are so many on your head, not a man million.
No,
There is division of labor. And for me, this is my job. That is why I'm here.
But babe, we live in the same house and you couldn't tell me that you have stomach pain?
Oh, Mama. Don't worry, I will see to it. Oh?
Wait, babe, should I call the doctor?
Mbanon, this is not a doctor's problem. It's a herbal problem. I will solve it with her.
Herbal?
Yes. Ejimoda. Ejimoziza. Ejimonye shiburu munye die. Ejimecheteka.
Onye shiburu, what's that?
You will not understand. Mbanon. Come here, Wano, please. Let me just go to the room. I will pull what and start my job.
Babe, are you sure you're okay?
You don't need doctor. I am here, the doctor of the house. In-law. Don't worry. No, sorry.
The heart of man is dangerous, so full of wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly.
come here. I said you should come here. Bring that slippers. Okpo. Drop it. Listen, take this money. Run to the market. I'm not talking about this market close by. The one by Abraka Junction. Get me crocodile egg.
Eh? Madam? Madam, which kind of thing be this one now? You don't become apprentice for native doctor. Which one be crocodile? If Okuku give me sack later now.
Does it look like I'm smiling with you?
Which one be crocodile?
Shut
egg?
up! Keep quiet. Are you the only one who doesn't know that I have injury on my leg? And crocodile egg is what you use in treating severe injury. You don't know.
Severe injury? I mean, make I see that kind of injury. Severe. Make I see on my bag.
Come on, look at it.
Huh?
My friend, run off and go and get me what I asked you to. What is even wrong with you?
Madam, which kind of message be this one? Where I won't go see? Okay, I beg you where they buy them before. Which market you they see them? Where they always go collect them?
Your grandmother's grave is just behind the house. Go there. Seek her attention. Let her tell you where the market is. Run to the market and get me crocodile egg. Hey. And make sure you get that crocodile egg. If you don't see it, just keep roaming around town until you get... Don't come back to this house if you don't see it.
Hey! That's the problem. Oh. I need the help for this one. Oh. Madam, the way they behave, I don't say for this house. One day you must send me message way past me. And you not fail me. So where I won't go see crocodile egg? Which kind of message be this one?
Olo, I don't want to repeat myself again. Turn now and run to the market. It's very important.
Hey! You sure say
run! No!
You sure say that this is when crocodile they take lay egg with this?
Are you mad?
Hey, help! Oh. Help! Help me! Oh. Yeah. Crocodile egg. Madam,
what sort of human being is this?
See you tomorrow.
If you don't find the egg, don't come back to this house. You better go to your village from there.
Where I go find her? That be the question. Where I won't find her?
The heart of man is dangerous, so full of wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly.
I hope you have some money with you.
Money, kwa? What do we need money for?
You're asking me what we need money for. Eh? Have you forgotten that we need to buy some things? Shovel. If you're embarking on such a journey, you need money. If the police insult one, if we need suitable, you insult one, you can't get money.
You are very correct.
I'll get enough money. Where are you? Mother.
up, Dad. Dad, please pick up. Pick up.